Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to disable Incognito mode in Windows 11. Okay, in the Chrome browser. So first close it, then click on start, type run, then type re registry. Okay, then click to OK. Click yes for the administrator rights. Okay, so this is registry editor. So first in the computer local machine extract, then software extract. Okay, in the software find out policy. So slow down, and this is a policy. Extract the policy, then Microsoft extract, then find out Chrome browser. Then in the policy only showing the Microsoft only, so required Google. Okay, so Google and Chrome, like, so right click, new, key, and type G capital Google. Okay, and then hit enter. After that, in the Google, right click, again new, again key, and then type Chrome. C capital HROME, Chrome. Then hit enter. After that, again right click of Chrome, then new, then dword 32 value, click on it, and this type Incognito high capital. If you type non capital small capital, that means it's not work. So capital I N C O G N I T O M capital O D E A capital V A I L A B I T. Okay, Incognito mode availability, and then hit enter. Just double click, and then value is 1, and then click to OK, and then close it, then restart your system, and then please check it. Otherwise you can just restart your browser. So open the browser, Google Chrome, three dot, and you can see this is the new Incognito window is totally unhide, not clickable. This is click, but this is not clickable.